Wammoth Services is committed to quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. We are family-owned and operated, providing in-home service throughout Northern Virginia. Wammoth Services is licensed, bonded, and insured. At Wammoth Services, we offer full service on all gas fireplaces. We offer a complete inspection, cleaning, as well as aesthetic and visual component cleaning. We do tune-ups and fix minor issues. We offer a 30-day workmanship warranty for our services. We are a licensed Virginia contractor with a designation in gas fitting. We are also NFI certified for gas fireplaces. These licenses and certifications give you the assurance that Wammoth Services is qualified to perform your gas fireplace service and repair. We encourage you to verify license and certification for any professional that you decide to hire to service your gas fireplace. Our customers are not just numbers, they are part of our family. Wammoth Services would be delighted to have you as part of the Wammoth family now and in the years to come. We look forward to providing you outstanding service and value for your gas fireplace needs. Call us today.